Okay, so another generator job. This one is a Briggs and Stratton. I've never installed one of these before. So this particular one is my first time. So I'm gonna see how that goes. Wires, pipes, and the panel is on like the other side of the house. So my pipes will be going across this area here, all the way over here where you can see the light, all the way over there. My pipes will be going, and I will be just pulling the wire through each length of pipe as I go along. So by the time I'm over there, the wire would already be in the pipe. All right, so see you later. So we're starting at this end and gonna be going all the way down there. I'm under a deck. Yep, it's not gonna be an easy task, but gotta get it done. Yep, getting closer, almost there. See? Sweating like a pig. Don't mess with me and my money. I have to work hard for it. So now at this point, I got a little obstacle here I have to pass. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go up at an angle with this and go out behind here where there's a bigger space behind there. So my pipe is gonna come straight across here and then sweep down. And in order to do that, I got this little baby over here. Yep, heating up the pipe. Nice and hot. Alright. I'm basically going across here, and then at some point I'm going to be entering the wall somewhere here. Look what I did. Look at that. Oh boy. Yep, so the raid came. I had to stop. Set about 2 hours, but I came back and I got it in. Here it is. So I'm gonna stop here for today because I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna be going in as yet, so that's gonna be tomorrow. So I'm just gonna stop here for today. Got it in finally. Took me some time, but I got it in.